Is your once responsive computer now frustratingly slow, each click met with a lag, every application taking an eternity to load? While the usual suspects like accumulated clutter or an aging system might come to mind, there's a more concerning possibility: your computer could be compromised, silently infiltrated by malicious software that's not only bogging down your system but potentially stealing your valuable personal data. The thought of being hacked can be unsettling, conjuring images of digital intruders lurking in the shadows. But before you rush to invest in expensive antivirus solutions, let's explore a few quick and easy checks you can perform right now. You can do them in under a minute, but I will take you step by step using built-in Windows tools. These steps can help you identify potential signs of unauthorized access and take immediate action without requiring any additional software installations. Our first port of call in this rapid investigation is the Startup folder. This is a critical area of your Windows system that dictates which programs automatically launch every time you boot up your computer. It's a favored hiding spot for many types of malware, allowing them to run silently in the background, consuming precious system resources and potentially phoning home with your sensitive information. To access the Startup folder, take a look at your keyboard. Locate the Windows key, usually bearing the Windows logo. Now, find the R key. Press these two keys simultaneously, the Windows key and the R key, at the same time. A small window, the Run the dialog box, will appear as shown. In the text field, carefully type the following command exactly as you see it: shell:*startup. Double-check the spelling and the colon. Once you're sure it's correct, click OK or press Enter. A File Explorer window will now open, displaying the contents of your Startup folder. Carefully examine the list of applications. These are the programs that Windows automatically launches on startup. Legitimate software like your antivirus, cloud storage clients, or frequently used utilities might be present. However, this is also a common entry point for malware to ensure it runs every time you start your system. Scrutinize the list for any application names that look unfamiliar, suspicious, or that you don't recognize installing. Look for cryptic or nonsensical names, unusual logos, or entries that simply don't align with the software you regularly use. If you spot any such suspicious applications, it's crucial to take action. These could be malicious programs silently running, contributing to your computer's sluggishness and potentially engaging in harmful activities. To remove a suspicious application from the Startup folder, simply right-click on its entry in the File Explorer window. A context menu will appear. Select Delete. This will prevent the application from automatically launching at startup. Remember, deleting the entry here doesn't uninstall the program entirely, but it stops it from running automatically. If you suspect it's malware, further removal steps will be needed later. Take a good look now. Any unexpected guests in your Startup folder? If so, delete them. Our next step takes us to the Temporary Files folder. While temporary files are a normal part of computer operation, allowing applications to store short-term data, this folder can become a dumping ground for unnecessary files and, unfortunately, a place where malware might download and store its components. Open the Run dialog again, Windows key plus R. This time, type %temp% and click OK. Another File Explorer window will open, showing the contents of your Temporary Files folder. This folder can often contain a surprising number of files and folders, some quite old and unnecessary. This accumulation can slow down your computer and fragment your hard drive. More importantly, malware can drop its files here. To clean this folder, select all files and folders, Ctrl+A, and press Delete. You'll likely see a confirmation dialog. Click Yes or Delete. Some files might be in use and can't be deleted. This is normal, just click Skip. The goal is to remove the vast majority. After deleting, it's essential to empty your recycle bin. Find the recycle bin icon on your desktop, right-click it, and select Empty Recycle Bin. Confirm the action. I recommend cleaning this folder and emptying the recycle bin regularly, at least once a month, to free up space, improve performance, and remove potential malicious files. Next, let's check for any unauthorized user accounts. Hackers might create hidden accounts to maintain access to your system. Open the Run dialog again, Windows key plus R, and type netplis, then click OK. The User Accounts window will appear, listing all user accounts on your computer. Carefully examine this list. You should see the accounts you created. Look for any unfamiliar accounts, especially those with administrator privileges. Administrator accounts have full control over your system. If you find a suspicious account, especially an administrator account you didn't create, select it and click Remove. Be absolutely sure before deleting, as this will remove associated files and settings. If unsure, consult a tech professional. Removing unauthorized accounts is crucial for security. Finally, we'll use the Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool, MRT. This built-in tool helps find and remove specific prevalent malicious software. Open the Run dialog, Windows key plus R, and type MRT, then click OK. The Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool window will open. Click Next. You'll see Scan options. Select Quick Scan and click Next again. The tool will now scan your computer for known malware. Let it run uninterrupted. Once finished, it will show the results. If malware is found, follow the on-screen instructions to remove it. If no threats are found, it will inform you. While helpful, MRT targets specific threats and isn't a replacement for full antivirus software, but it's a valuable quick check. By performing these for quick checks, examining your startup folder, cleaning temporary files, reviewing user accounts, and running the MRT, you've taken proactive steps to identify potential hidden threats and address a slow computer without needing to install additional software. Remember, regular digital hygiene is key. If you find anything suspicious or your computer continues to act strangely, consider a comprehensive scan with a reputable antivirus program or seek professional help. You can use inbuilt Windows Defender and do a full scan. To do this, open Windows Security. To find it easily, on your taskbar, locate the Windows Security icon. This icon is usually found in the system tray. It is the area typically located on the bottom right corner of your screen. Go to Viruses and Threat Protection. Select Scan options and select Full Scan. This will now check all files and running programs on your hard disk. Note that this will take several minutes and even can exceed an hour, so it's best to wait till it's fully scanned. If this video amazed you, and you're surprised you could do all of this without even installing antivirus, then I have next 2 videos which will blow your mind on the end screen. On the left, there's a deep dive video that shows you 6 hidden features and hacks in Windows that can take your productivity and speed to the next level. On the right, you'll find a video that teaches you how to remove bloatware or any unwanted apps in your phone. I will see you there.